Now, you're known for joint ventures. How do you attract joint venture partners, and how do you feel the best way is to kind of almost structure that process?
I guess there's been a huge amount of learnings in that area. I've tried a lot of different things, and if I'm being honest, I've probably failed at probably 80–90% of the different things I've tried. But you know, the 10% has done phenomenally well, and what I've realised, and kind of from the beginning I understood was important, was this is about relationships. It's about building relationships with people. So you know, you could have a great deal, and you could attract somebody to want to invest with you in that. It's not difficult to do that. So it's like selling £20 notes for £15. You can sell them all day long. There's always going to be people interested. But actually, you don't always attract the right kind of people to want to work with you. And you know, some joint ventures, particularly those on a HMO, may last longer than some marriages last. You know, it's important that you invest the time with the right kind of people to work with. So the way I kind of tend to do that is I'm quite happy to kind of talk about what I do and share with people what I do, and give people an opportunity to come and kind of talk to me and ask me about questions and help them move forward. And during that process, there'll always be some people who will say, hey, you know, what you're saying makes complete sense. And is there an opportunity to kind of work with you rather than kind of learn how to do it, kind of do it for me, as it were. And that's kind of, if you like, where people come to me that may be interested in working on joint venture. I'll tend to spend some time with them to understand whether they'd be looking for more shorter term returns like flips, or whether it's the longer term investments like the HMOs. And then we'll look at some properties, we'll talk about what might be right for them, and then really from there it kind of, if you like, funnels down to what might be suitable for them.